Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute summery pink ombre nail design, so let's begin. As always, I'm starting off by applying a base coat, and as you can see my nails look a little weird because I did a polygel extension and I just did a fill, and now I'm putting regular nail polish on top. Next up, I'm applying white as a base to each of my nails. And now, for the ombre part, I'm taking light pink and the same white and I'm applying them each to a makeup sponge, and then I'm going to dab each of my nails. And next I just cleaned up my skin with acetone. And finally, I'm sealing it all in with a quick dry top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.